Hey, what's up, guys? So, I wanted to go touch on Etsy. We are one of the largest sellers on Etsy. We have a few different shops that do different things. It's a great platform that if you want to start selling right away, this is where you want to be. This, Amazon, eBay. Basically, you don't have to set up a site. You can just upload your products and you're out there already. They have all the things in there that, convert, they bring you traffic. So, I just wanted to go over a couple things to make your listings good. Etsy rankings is based primarily on people that click your listing. So you need obviously a great image, and then people purchasing. I suggest, at least 5 images. Like this one's making a sign. They basically show it, the colors that they offer. You have an image with the fonts. This is pretty cool. They get in depth. The images are great. They're fun looking. They have, Encore Designs, a little logo down here. They show you sizing. This is a great listing. So one of the things that you don't have to be too in depth about, obviously people read the description, but like it's kind of hidden on these. Nothing's really said here. Look what they're giving. Original, the 2 finishes, available sizes. Like, there's no information here. Basically, you can get the colors right here. You get the sizes right here. So don't kill yourself on trying to write some massive description. Just kind of tell them what it is, what you offer, and that's, pretty much it. Etsy only has 2 variations, so you got to fit everything in here. So what's rough is something like this, where you got to pick color and size. Then you have to give the font. So you then this is rough because now I got to go, oh, well, what font do I want? So on something like this, you could put in the personalization area, like if you don't choose a font, we're going to use font 1. And that's so it's not people can't complain about a wrong font. At least you cover yourself. So that's what we do. We'll have a default font that we'll use if, we're doing a listing like this that needs, more than 2 options, size, finish, and then font. But I try to add everything in the 2 variations. I'm just looking around. This is a good one. Let's see what else we got. Obviously, I looked at custom signs. So we do signs. So I was looking at some good ones just to use as reference. Like, this is a great image. Look, they show you a bounty thing, like Dream Big printables. Oh, felt bumpers ready to hang. This is what you want. You don't want to just throw an image up of your product. I also suggest that when you do initially put your product up, you run a sale and you basically sell it for lower than you would like to because you need sales to get your products ranked. Etsy wants to see that when they advertise or when they show your product, that people buy it. So sometimes we're willing to make almost no profit in the beginning just to get, maybe 10, 15 sales under our belt, and then we'll raise the price up. But you definitely want sales, you definitely want reviews. And as you get sales and reviews, Etsy will rank you, and then you can raise your price to where you feel it needs to be. So that's how we go about launching new products. Um, like these are definitely, so they basically just added, these are just filler images. You need about 5 solid images. Also, Etsy has the video um, thing. I suggest getting something like this. So this is like a little turntable, and you get some type of background, and you just video it. This is the easiest thing possible. Turntable. They sell them on Amazon super cheap, and it's the way to go. But Etsy's pretty simple. Everybody's layout's the same, so it's not like a website where it's like you versus the other guy's website. Just your image, you're basically winning on image. I would say image and price. I'll get into more specifics on actually making a product. I just want to go over some of the basics. Like everyone's like, oh, SEO, SEO. Like, listen, like you could see this guy, he's selling a wooden sign. So, I mean, what I would do is you would type in, custom wooden, and then, maybe get some ideas from here. If you're doing a sign, you can just click on some of the other guys and see what they're doing. I mean, it's not rocket science. Just add some keywords and get going. Especially if you're new, you don't want to just focus on all these things and it just becomes so much. Just focus on getting the product out with good images at the price point that's good, and then worry about SEO and things like that further down the line. Obviously, you add a couple good words in your title. You make sure you fill out your tag section when you're making the product. And then after that, just kind of, you can always go back to it. And that's what I would suggest. Also, I wouldn't launch the store until you have about 20 different listings, because you don't want somebody to come to your store and there be like 2 products. So, launch it with about 20 products, and you're thinking, oh, 20, I don't have 20 products. But you might have 20 products. Because say you're selling this sign, right? It says your custom text. Well, do the same mock-up. Instead of it saying your custom text, have a saying. And then you have a product for each saying, and then you can launch all these different products. And that's how I'd go about it. I'm going to talk about multiple products using the same material on another video, but this is just like an intro to Etsy, making your store, and just don't get so in your head about, oh, I need to know this SEO, I need this keyword. Like, talk about what the product is in the description, search it, see what some other people are putting in their titles, put that in your title, put it in the tags, and go. The bigger thing is the photos and the price, and turn on your ads, turn on a sale of at least 10%, and you should start getting sales in there. Have any questions, feel free to comment on the video, tweet me, whatever. I try to help everybody out. All right? If you don't have a store yet, start it up. I wish you the best.